Did you see that dark flurry of wings? It's a tui. The tui is a large forest bird native to New Zealand and one of New Zealand's favorite birds. At first glance, the bird appears completely black except for a small tuft of white feathers at its neck and a small white wing patch. On closer inspection, it can be seen that tui have brown feathers on the back and flanks, with a multicolored iridescent sheen that varies with the angle at which the light strikes them. They also have a dusting of small, white-shafted feathers on the back and sides of the neck that produce a lacy collar. Tui have a complex variety of songs and calls, much like parrots. In fact, some of the wide range of tui sounds are beyond the human register. Watching a tui sing, one can observe gaps in the sound when the beak is agape and the throat tuft is throbbing. Tui may sing at night, especially around the full moon period. Tui are herbivores and nectarivores and feed particularly on nectar. They also eat fruit, insects, and occasionally pollen and seeds. As for our tui, he'll steal your girl, your man, and possibly your heart because he's Robin YaBlind. The reigning supreme Grand Tease and founding member of House of Sin, Robin is up from Wellington with their tribute to one of Aotearoa's favorite native birds, the tui. Robin also teaches dance and burlesque at Studio Lomore Wellington and can be found performing all over the country. Find him searching for nectar, sharpening his brows, or on Instagram at handle Robin_YaBlind.